everyone. So today I'm going to be going over from the official SAT study guide from the College Board practice test number 4, math, non-calculator number 23. And in this example, it gives us two tables of data of high temperatures for City A and City B over the same 21 days. And these are called frequency tables, and that means that, for example, there were 3 days in City A that the temperature was 80. There were 14 days that it was 79 degrees. There were 2 days that it was 78. 1 day that it was 77, and 1 day that it was 76. And this question is asking me which of the following is true about the data, and it's specifically asking about standard deviation. So we kind of need to review that. Standard deviation actually indicates the data points tend to be, if it's low, are close to the mean, and if they're spread out, then it's a high standard deviation, because standard deviation is how far something is away from the mean. So standard deviation is how far values are from the mean. And mean is just the average, okay? All right, so think about that again. A low standard deviation means that they're pretty close to the mean, so they're bunched close to the mean, whereas a high standard deviation means that they're more spread out. And so it's asking me to tell me which one's got a bigger standard deviation, A, B, if they're equal, or if there's not enough information. All right, so what I did was I actually looked at these and I kind of thought about this, and I know that the mean has to be around 79 because that's where the majority of the temperatures are. And so if you see, the points around 14 aren't very far away, so they aren't very spread out. Whereas in City B, they are kind of spread out. The mean's going to be somewhere in the middle here. Even if it's low, I've got more spread out and away from the mean than I do in the first one. So that would mean that the standard deviation of City B is larger. All right, guys, I hope that helped, because I know standard deviation sometimes from graphs can get a little tricky. Have a great day.